So here we are. You have done practice problems 8, 9, and 10. You can even like draw a line if you want, right? If you want to draw a line like above and below your practice problems, you can do that. Like if that just kind of helps you see a little bit better or just make it neater, you want to use color, right? Like do whatever you want, make your notebook attractive to you. Okay, let's try a couple more examples, and these you're going to see there's just one difference here between these and the last example. So we're just getting used to all the different kinds of two-step equations we can see. Okay, so in this case, my first example is going to be x over 4 minus 7 equals negative 5. Okay, so remember I have two operations here. In this case, what are the operations I have? I have division and subtraction. Okay, so remember I use my reverse order of operations. So addition and subtraction is going to come before multiplication and division. So I'm going to deal with that subtraction first, right? The subtraction is what I'm going to undo first. So I'm going to ignore this x over 4 for a moment. I need to think, what am I going to do to undo minus 7? The opposite of subtraction is addition, so I'm going to do on both sides of the equation plus 7. Okay, this cancels. I'm left with x over 4, right, because this is gone, equals negative 5 plus 7. That's 5 notches and 7 patches. That's positive 2. Okay, now what do I have left? I have, right, this is a one-step equation, and what I have is division. This is x divided by 4. So how do I undo division? I use multiplication. That's division's inverse operation. So this is division, so I'm going to multiply. I'm going to multiply by 4, right? This is x divided by 4. I'm going to multiply by 4. Okay, so I get x equals 2 times 4 is 8. Let's do one more example like this. Okay, here notice the x is on the right side of the equation. Not a big deal, right? Totally fine for the x to be on the right side of the equation. Our goal is still to get it by itself. If this throws you off and the first thing you want to do is just write the equation in the opposite order where you write x over negative 2 plus 8 equals 11. You could do that, right? You could even just like erase this 11 equals and put it over here. Okay, but no need to do that. So first I have division here, I have addition here. We know addition and subtraction is what I deal with first. So I'm going to get rid of this 8 by subtracting 8 from both sides. Subtracting 8 from both sides. So let me make this neat for you. And subtracting 8. So I get 11 minus 8 is 3. And that equals x divided by negative 2. Okay? This is division. What's x being divided by? It's being divided by negative 2. So if I want to do the opposite of dividing, I'm going to multiply. And since it's being divided by negative 2, I'm going to multiply by negative 2. I'm multiplying by negative 2 on both sides. So this is divided by negative 2, multiplied by negative 2. That cancels, leaves me with x by itself, equals positive times negative is negative. 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, so those are your examples. So now you're going to go to your next page. I'm on page 15 now. You're going to go to your next page. This is now page 16. Okay, and you're going to set up your practice problems. So practice problems, you're going to do problem 12, 13, and 14 right now. Okay, and then you'll come back here for the next video.